day one of our Kilimanjaro hike, and we're at the Machame gate. We have just finished off signing in, and we've got our lunch packs, so at least we're going to fuel up with lunch before we start the hike.
Yes, and so there's no turning back. This is it. We're going to start being positive that everything's going to go well. We're going to definitely do this. We're going to acclimatize and we're going to reach summit. And like Baraka said, it's a piece of cake.
So we'll be eating a piece of cake
every single day. And it's a chocolate cake.
Yes. Yeah. No icing though.
That's there. So we are refreshed, we feel energized, and we are ready to take on this challenge. So yeah, we'll give feedback tonight as to how the walk was.
Okay, so
Halfway, we're getting there. Pole pole.
Can you come and take this one here?
Slowly.
we're in the rainforest.
Yes.
Very lush green surrounding.
Yeah. Team Tiger.
Drinking water.
Water.
I've already drank like half.
Joy
Going
hapa hivi
strong.
iko vizuri.
I think I'll make my 3 liters.
Yeah.
And we are making it pole pole, enjoying the green scenery, and yeah, building me a tree house.
Yeah.
I'm going to just pick the right tree.
Pile's dream.
Yes.
She's gonna relocate to Tanzania and then settle down here in her cute little
Tree
house.
Lady Tarzan.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
See the porters are carrying all
guys
these.
with us.
Yeah.
We're doing it together.
Danny and Comfy.
Confi is over there. He's
Taking the picture.
making the picture. Confident.
Taking the photos. Hi
guys.
Okay, so we have this is day 1 and we have reached camp. We got here around 7 p.m. It was a really good day. There were some parts that were challenging, but other than that, it was quite good.
Yeah, and because it got cold, so when we arrived at camp, it was nice of them to bring a bowl of hot water to wash ourselves with. And then we had supper. Supper was nice. They made cucumber and bread soup,
Which was delicious.
we had potato wedges, we had carrot and peas,
Mixed vegetables.
yeah, and
I
our
had
dessert.
fish.
Dessert was banana.
Healthy dessert.
Yes, and so after supper we in our tent, and it's cold, so we've layered up. I've got 4 layers on.
Yeah, I have got 3 layers on. We have
got
our
our
sleeping
blankie.
bags, and then we have this blanket, really warm, and then we're also gonna
Cuddle.
cuddle.
Yes.
So yeah, the day was actually really good. We're hoping that the next few days will be the same as today, and we're just being positive that everything's gonna work out.
Yeah, and so we just need a good night rest to recharge, and then we'll be all set for day 2 and ready for the next day's challenge.
Yes.
Yeah.
So keep well, and we will chat to you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Night, night.
Hi guys. So this is day 2, and we started the climb at around 8, I think.
Yeah.
Today the climb has been a bit challenging, very steep. We're actually climbing up on top of rocks, and sure, it's challenging.
I've had to get on all 4s, use hands and everything.
Yeah,
But we're doing it step by step,
pole
slowly.
pole. It's a bit cold, not so bad. We are dressed slightly warm, just
yeah.
to prevent wishes. Anyways, let's look at the view from here. It's absolutely
amazing.
Okay, that's it for now. We'll give you an update in the evening or when we reach
When
our
we reach
next
camp,
camp.
yes.
Okay, take care.
Bye.
Hi guys. This is day 2, successfully completed.
And yes, a challenging day. We did quite a steep climb, 3,750. So we are tired, but we are rejuvenating with popcorn and hot chocolate.
Let's not forget the delicious noodle soup with French toast. So yes, today was very challenging. The climb was extremely steep. to top that, we also had rain,
Yeah.
which made it more challenging. And we were actually fortunate that we had an extremely wonderful guide that assisted us in certain parts of the climb, especially where it was steep and slippery.
Yeah, literally there was one section where it was just a place to put our foot, and if we miss that, we go for a fall.
Literally speaking.
Yeah.
In terms of our breathing, we at now 3,750 meters
Altitude.
yeah, and we still perfectly fine.
Fine, breathing normal, no problems.
No issues, and we being positive that the next couple of days will be the same, we won't have any issues.
Yeah,
So-
we're looking forward to tomorrow, day 3. They say it is a nice walk, not as challenging as today.
Yes.
So we're positive that we will do it successfully.
Yes. So at the moment, if we look, we literally in line with the clouds. We can actually see the clouds out there.
Yeah.
I'll try and show you guys just now as well.
And you can also have a view of our campsite.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's have a look at the cloud. So this is a campsite, and I'm sure you can see the clouds. There's a group there that's having a dancing, singing session. That's the view.
So yeah, we're living in tents. Can you believe it?
Back to nature.
Yes.
Ancient times.
For sure.
No electricity, no social media, no network.
Yeah, and I have overcome my challenge of answering nature's call.
So have I. It's better than using the bathrooms here.
Yes, and we have learned that when nature calls, you must answer.
Have to.
Yeah.
But yes, so we will see you guys tomorrow.
Yep.
Take care and lots of love.
Mwah.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, so this is day 3. It has been a very challenging day. Not as bad as yesterday, but challenging, I suppose, in the sense that our bodies are becoming a bit more tired. But nevertheless, we successfully completed the day.
Yeah, and I found it a bit more tougher than the others. I didn't have a good night's sleep the previous night, so that added to my tiredness, and I was feeling so sleepy along the way. They eventually had to carry me, but I made it to camp.
As long as you made it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so tomorrow is another long day. We're gonna be climbing the Branca wall, and it's very, very steep from what we have seen. So we're hoping that it's gonna be okay.
Yeah, and hopefully with the help of the porters, I'm sure we'll do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So today we climbed what, 4-8?
Yeah, we went right up to 4,800 to acclimatize.
Yes.
And then we came back straight down to
3-8.
3.8 to
Yeah.
sleep. Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll be climbing then 4 something.
Yeah.
4-6 or something. So we'll see. And then yeah, after tomorrow it's literally a day to summit and then
Yeah.
back down. So
Can't wait to get back down.
to missing the hot shower and
yes.
the warm bed, and
Oh,
yeah, this has really been a challenge. But anyways, take care and chat tomorrow. Lots of love.
Take care.
Mwah. Hey! So this is day 4 and we climbed the Branca wall.
And yeah, that was a climb and a half, but we made it successfully.
Yes, absolutely challenging. We even kissed the wall, by the way.
Yes, the kissing rock.
Yeah, and
We
yeah,
were on all fours
yes.
at some stages, so yeah, but doing good.
It seems like every single day is like a new challenge for us,
Yeah.
but so far so good.
Yeah, and we made it in very good time today.
Yes,
We
just
arrived
before
at
lunch.
lunchtime.
Yes,
Yeah.
just before lunch. So yeah, this is our mini kitchen. So let's
Yeah.
show you the kitchen.
Where we have breakfast, lunch, and supper.
Yeah, there's Doc
Hello. I'm glad I'm here. Thank you. After the climb, it was quite steep,
Yes.
but we managed, and I'm so happy we're early here. Then we can have a nice rest.
Yes.
Very, very nice. Thanks.
Okay. So tomorrow is day 5, and
That is the biggest day and night for us.
yes,
Because in the day there's a bit of a short walk, they say, not too
I think it's
long.
about 5 hours if I'm not mistaken, 4 to 5 hours.
Yeah, maybe.
And then
we
we
rest
reach camp, rest, and then we start the summit
11 o'clock at night.
at night. Yeah. So yeah, time is going by quickly. So far so good.
Yeah.
Thanking God for the strength and the courage.
For sure.
And yeah, tomorrow will be a better day.
Yes. And we just need to get through tomorrow. And then after that, it's just all downhill home run from there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, take care. Lots of love.
Take care.
Mwah. Hi guys. So this is day 5 and we now at Barafu camp. The walk up here was not bad at all. We literally did the pole pole.
Yes, and if we stick pole pole, we shall definitely make summit. So tonight we actually start our summit night walk, and we're all looking good health-wise.
Yes, we will start the walk around 3 a.m. and we'll take it as it comes.
Yeah, and looking forward to it. And we just need a good sleep and rest, and we should be good to go. We're going to have dinner before we leave, so we'll be fully nourished and have all the energy.
So currently it's snowing outside, so it's quite cold, but we are in our tent and we are nice and cozy, quite warm.
Yeah, and tips is definitely for this whole Kilimanjaro hike and that. Got to eat, even if you're not that hungry, just force yourself to eat. But actually we didn't even lose our appetite that much.
Not at all.
And yeah, drink lots of water. They say you should have 3 liters of water.
But we didn't.
Yeah,
We
but we're
didn't.
still good health-wise.
Yeah, touch wood.
Yeah.
And in terms of the actual hike itself, I think like Payal and I, we decided we're not going to look at the distance we're walking. We'd rather just look on the floor and focus on our steps and our breathing. And in that way, it kept us going and we had no issues. Although it was tiring, but
yeah,
we managed.
so looking all good, and hopefully next video we shall give you the good news that we have summited.
Yay!
Yeah.
Positive thinking. We are going to summit.
For sure.
Okay. Till then, take care.
Take care.
Hi guys. So this is day 6 and this was summit day which we successfully completed.
Although it was a challenge and a half, compared to the others, I struggled. Hamisha did awesome and excellent.
No, you did excellent as well.
Oh gosh, I had to be carried in bits and pieces.
Sure, but I think out of all the days, today was the most challenging day.
Yeah.
At one point, I even thought that no, I'm not going to make it. I was extremely tired. I had no energy. But I suppose it's all in your mind and yeah, strong willpower, and that pushed me.
Yeah.
Of course, the grace of God and our amazing, amazing team.
Yeah, if it wasn't for the team, I don't think I would have reached summit. They really did an awesome job of motivating me, carrying me even. And yeah, my mind was strong. I kept on saying, no, I can do this, I can do this. But my body was giving up
Yes.
now and then. And plus I didn't have food.
Yeah, it was the same with me. I think my body was really tired and it just wanted to give up. But my mind said, keep going, you can do this. And I did.
Yeah.
We did.
So mission successful, we summited.
Yeah, awesome. And we experienced heavy snowfall, so that was also awesome. But also to a certain extent, it was a negative thing.
Yeah, yes, see, it was really cold, and on our way coming down, it looks like the cold weather just wanted to follow us where we were going. And yeah, it snowed quite a lot and rained. As you can see, we in our tents.
Yes, we even had our dinner in the tent. Shame, they were so sweet to bring us our food here. And yeah, we're nice and cozy, and we're actually looking forward to going back to the hotel tomorrow, having a fresh hot shower and just jumping into our beds.
Yes, so looking forward to tomorrow.
Well, we'll chat tomorrow again. Take care and lots of love. Mwah.